Today is Monday, October 13th, 2025. A significant coastal storm is currently impacting the eastern United States. This system is bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and coastal flooding. Its slow movement is prolonging these effects. While this storm is the immediate focus, weather models are pointing toward a major pattern change. This change suggests multiple waves of colder air, Arctic air poised to move southward. These incoming cold snaps will bring a noticeable temperature shift across a large portion of the country over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We will explain the storm, detail the cold wave sequence, and discuss what forecast models are showing. Understanding this evolving pattern is important for everyone. A strong and slow-moving coastal storm is the most immediate weather story. This system is currently spinning off the east coast, causing significant impacts from the southeast to New England. Heavy rainfall is a primary concern, leading to flash flood advisories and warnings in numerous areas. The storm's counterclockwise flow is pushing ocean water onshore, resulting in coastal flooding, particularly at high tide. Areas like the Outer Banks and parts of southern New England are experiencing notable inundation. Roads near the coast may be impassable, and beach erosion is a significant issue. This storm is a classic early-season nor'easter. The wind field is extensive, with strong, gusty winds along a wide swath of coastline. Some communities may have a lull in rain, yet persistent onshore flow still piles water into unexpected places, even seaside restaurants and piers in southeastern Virginia. To understand what is coming next, we look at weather forecast models. These sophisticated programs simulate the atmosphere, using observations and complex equations to predict change. Two key global models, the European ECMWF and the American GFS. Forecasters analyze runs from hours to weeks ahead. Most comprehensive runs, 0Z and 12Z. When ECMWF and GFS agree, forecast confidence increases. We evaluate pressure, temperature, and moisture to find storms and air masses. Current runs depict a trough building over the central and eastern U.S. Models provide guidance, not certainty. Beyond a week, details can change. Nonetheless, consistent signals show multiple intrusions of Arctic air. Timing and intensity may wobble, but a colder pattern now carries high confidence. As the coastal storm departs around Tuesday, October 14th, the pattern begins to reorganize. The first clear sign is a backdoor cold front, arriving from the northeast. Cool air filters into the northeast and mid-Atlantic around Wednesday, October 15th, continuing into week's end. Not an extreme blast, but a noticeable drop, more late autumn-like, most pronounced across the eastern third, while the west stays relatively warmer under a ridge. Expect highs several degrees below average for mid-October. Air turns crisp and drier. The transition is swift, sweaters and light coats come out. Cooler air settles in by Thursday the 16th and Friday the 17th. A jet stream dip opens the gate for Canadian origin air to spill south. Behind the front, stable dry air, clear skies and chilly nights. Some interior spots may see their first light frost of the season. This first event sets the stage and primes the atmosphere for a stronger second wave. After a brief pause, models show a deeper, more significant wave of cold. This second Arctic blast appears more potent and widespread. Timing: beginning around Sunday, October 19th into early next week. A strong low forms in the nation's midsection and tracks northeast. It drags a powerful cold front across the central and eastern states. This is a classic Arctic outbreak. Air from far northern latitudes, modified over cold Canadian ground. Ahead of the front, southerly flow may feel briefly spring-like. Behind it, temperatures plunge. Drops of 20 to 30 degrees in hours are possible in spots. Strong northwest winds add bite and lower wind chills. Expect widespread rain along and ahead of the front, with a changeover to snow as cold rushes in, especially over the Great Lakes and higher Appalachians. Centered on Monday the 20th through Wednesday the 22nd, this is the most significant cold of the period. Prepare now. Confirm heating systems, protect vulnerable pipes, and have winter clothing ready. The abrupt shift can be hazardous if you are unprepared. While the east cools, the west stays active under a Pacific moisture feed. Significant beneficial precipitation continues for many areas. Sierra Nevada, heavy snow. Cascades, heavy snow. Northern Rockies, heavy snow. These snows build crucial winter snowpack and future water supply. Travel impacts are likely. Passes can become treacherous or close. Valleys see rain, sometimes heavy, with localized flooding risk. Burn scars raise debris flow concerns. Stay alert and follow local guidance. The western trough helps build a downstream ridge, enabling an eastern jet dip and Arctic funnel. It's one connected pattern driving western storms and eastern cold. Multiple cold waves trace back to a highly amplified jet stream. This fast river of air separates colder north from warmer south and steers weather. A strong western ridge pairs with a deep eastern trough, often a plus PNA setup. Energy rotating around the trough base triggers new Arctic surges. Arctic air refers to where it comes from, not a specific reading. As it moves south, the air mass modifies, but it remains Arctic in origin. Expect significantly below average temps and an early taste of winter for millions. Beyond the second blast around October 22nd, models hint at a third wave late month. Likely window, October 24th through 27th. ECMWF and GFS both show initial cool down, a stronger second blast, and a persistent eastern trough. Cold interacting with Atlantic or Gulf moisture could spark another coastal storm. Details shift run to run, but the cold pattern signal is consistent. Prepare your clothing now. Sweaters, coats, hats, gloves, dress in layers. Keep gear accessible and dress children warmly. Check heating systems. Protect exposed pipes in basements, garages, and crawl spaces. Disconnect and drain garden hoses. Secure loose outdoor items ahead of strong frontal winds. Prepare your vehicle. Check tire pressure, antifreeze, washer fluid, and keep a basic emergency kit. Include a blanket, flashlight, water, snacks, and a phone charger. If heading to mountains, carry chains or snow tires and check road conditions. Stay informed but calm. Check the National Weather Service and trusted local meteorologists. These October Arctic incursions mark a normal seasonal transition. Rain, wind, and a pronounced chill are on the way. Take simple steps now, and you'll be ready. A large swirling coastal storm has set the stage along the east coast. Next, an initial cool down, a stronger Arctic blast around the 20th to 22nd, and signs of a third wave late month. Western storms and eastern cold are two sides of the same amplified jet pattern. Prepare clothing and home, ready your vehicle, and follow NWS and local updates. Models show multiple October Arctic intrusions. Get those sweaters ready and stay safe and informed.